AC versus DC electricity. Solar panels produce DC electricity, direct current. The other type of electricity, grid electricity, is AC electricity, alternating current. AC electricity generates a frequency detectable by voltage detectors, like the AC hot stick. This allows first responders or electrical technicians to identify live AC electrical sources remotely. Monitor the AC arc. Now, let's delve into the world of DC electricity. Unlike AC current, which flows smoothly back and forth, DC current presents a different challenge. DC electricity does not create a detectable frequency, making it difficult for emergency services and firefighters to identify it remotely. In solar installations, where DC current is prevalent, this poses a significant risk. In the event of a fault or malfunction, the potential for fire is a lurking danger. As a precaution, DC electrical sources are always treated as live and dangerous, called the DC danger zone. This underscores the importance of solutions like PV stop, with solar modules consistently generating electricity. Even in damaged conditions, such as burnt cables, conventional fire extinguishers may temporarily suppress flames, only for them to reignite. PV stop, however, enables the secure disconnection of DC power sources to the sun, very safely and effectively, and crucial during emergencies. By cutting off the flow of DC current, PV stop helps mitigate the risk of fire and ensures the safety of both property and lives. PV stop is non-conductive and fire retardant. Solution allows it to be used in emergency fire situations. The polymer film is designed to stick to solar panels during all weather conditions. Even if the PV modules are wet, the coating will stick to the glass panel. The coating does not contain any adhesives and does not damage solar panels in any way. The coating can be peeled off up to 12 months after being applied, even when exposed to UV and other weather elements. In the world of DC electricity, safety is paramount. With solutions like PV stop, we can protect against the hidden dangers and ensure a safer environment for all.